What if I told you that changing your life doesn't begin with a huge decision? It begins with one tiny action. Most people believe success comes from motivation, talent, or luck, but science tells us something very different. The habits you repeat every day quietly shape your future, whether you notice them or not. Every successful athlete, entrepreneur, student, and creator shares one thing in common: not perfect motivation, but powerful daily systems. Imagine waking up every morning knowing exactly how to make progress without relying on willpower. Imagine replacing procrastination with action, replacing unhealthy routines with better ones, and watching your confidence grow every single day. The amazing part is that you don't need to transform your entire life overnight. You only need to become a little better than yesterday. In today's video, you'll learn the science behind building habits that stick and breaking the ones holding you back. We'll explore the powerful lessons shared by James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, including why systems beat goals, the 4 laws of behavior change, the incredible power of improving by just 1% each day, and simple strategies that anyone can start using immediately. By the end of this video, you'll have practical tools to begin changing your life. So stay with us until the very end, because the last lesson could completely change the way you think about success forever. Lesson 1: Systems over goals. Most people believe that setting a big goal is the secret to success. They write down goals like losing weight, making more money, reading 50 books, or starting a business. While goals are useful because they give you direction, they are not enough to create lasting change. James Clear explains that goals show you the destination, but systems are what actually get you there. A system is the collection of small actions you repeat every day. If your goal is to become healthier, your system includes exercising regularly, eating nutritious meals, drinking enough water, and getting enough sleep. If your goal is to write a book, your system is sitting down to write every day, even if it's only for 20 minutes. The interesting truth is that winners and losers often have the same goals. Every team wants to win. Every student wants good grades, and every entrepreneur wants a successful business. The difference is not the goal, it is the daily habits. Your current habits are perfectly designed to produce your current results. If you keep repeating the same routines, your life will continue to look the same. Instead of asking, "What do I want to achieve?" and ask yourself, or "What habits do I need to practice every day?" When you improve your system, success becomes a natural outcome instead of something you constantly chase. Lesson 2: The 4 laws of behavior change. James Clear introduces a simple framework called the 4 laws. The first law is to make it obvious. Every habit starts with a cue, so place reminders where you can see them. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle on your desk. If you want to study, leave your notebook open. The second law is to make it attractive. Our brains naturally move toward things that feel enjoyable. You can combine a habit you need to do with one you already enjoy. Listen to your favorite music. The third law is to make it easy. Many people fail because they make new habits too difficult. Instead of promising to exercise for an hour, start with just 5 minutes. Small actions remove resistance. The final law is to make it satisfying. Give yourself an immediate reason to feel good after completing. Mark an X on your calendar, use a habit tracker, or simply celebrate your progress. The more rewarding it feels, the more likely your brain will repeat it. These 4 laws work together to make behaviors easier. Lesson 3: The 1% better rule. One of the most inspiring ideas is that you don't need dramatic changes. Instead, focus on becoming just 1% better every day. At first, it seems almost meaningless. You may not notice any difference after a week, but success works like compound interest. Small improvements build on one another until they produce amazing results. Imagine reading just 10 pages every day. In 1 month, you'll finish several books. Continue for a year, and you'll have learned more than most. The same principle applies to everything. Unfortunately, the opposite is also true. Small negative habits, such as procrastinating or eating unhealthy snacks, may seem harmless at first, but they compound. That's why your daily choices matter far more than occasional bursts of motivation. Don't worry about perfection. Instead, ask yourself, what is one small thing I can do today to become just 1% better? Those tiny victories will eventually transform your entire life, just 1% at a time. Lesson 4. Never miss twice. Many people believe that successful people never fail or make mistakes. The truth is exactly the opposite. Everyone slips up. Everyone misses workouts or wastes time. The difference is what happens next. James Clear teaches a simple rule: never miss twice. Missing once is an accident. Missing twice is the beginning of a new habit. If you plan to run but didn't, go tomorrow. The goal is not perfection, it is consistency over time. Guilt often causes people to give up completely. Every time you recover quickly, you prove that setbacks don't control you. Think of it like driving a car. Sometimes you drift, but you gently steer back. Your progress depends on how quickly you return to the path. Remember, resilience is a habit too, and every comeback makes you mentally stronger than before. Lesson 5. Habit stacking and environment design. One of the easiest ways to build a new habit is to connect it to something you already do. After brushing your teeth, spend 1 minute in gratitude. After making your morning coffee, read 1 page. After lunch, take a 5-minute walk. Your current habits become reminders for your new habits, making them much easier to remember. But that's only part of it. Your environment plays an even bigger role. We think behavior depends on willpower, but surroundings matter. If healthy food is what you see, you'll eat it. If your phone is beside you, distractions are hard to resist. If your workout clothes are ready the night before, exercising feels easier. Design your environment so that good habits become the easiest option and bad habits become inconvenient. Hide temptations, reduce distractions, and place positive reminders. When your environment supports you, success is a lifestyle. Lesson 6. The identity shift. True behavior change is actually identity change. You might start a habit because of motivation, but the only reason you stick with it is that it becomes part of your identity. Anyone can convince themselves to go to the gym once or twice, but without shifting the belief behind it, it is hard to maintain long-term change. The goal is not to read a book. The goal is to become a reader. The goal is not to run a marathon. The goal is to become a runner. Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. No single instance will transform your beliefs, but as the votes build up, so does the evidence of your new identity. This is why small habits matter. Lesson 7. The social environment. We are like sponges, absorbing the habits of the people around us. One of the most effective things you can do is to join a culture where your desired behavior is normal. If you want to read more, join a book club. If you want to get fit, surround yourself with healthy people. We naturally imitate the habits of 3 groups: the close, the many, and the powerful. Choose wisely. By consciously choosing your social circle, you reduce the friction of change. It doesn't feel like a struggle. When everyone else is doing it, the habit doesn't feel like a struggle. It feels like belonging. Real change doesn't happen because of one big decision. It happens because of hundreds of small choices, repeated every day. By focusing on systems instead of goals and following the 4 laws, improving just 1% daily, refusing to miss twice, and designing an environment that supports your success, you can completely transform your life over the next month. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who simply refused to quit. Your future isn't decided by what you do once. It's decided by what you do consistently. Starting today, choose one tiny habit and commit to it for the next 30 days. Don't wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time is now. If this video inspired you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve. Thank you for watching, and remember, small habits create extraordinary lives. Take that first step today.